Many people believe that success is all about having knowledge and skills, but in reality, success is about taking action and executing your plans effectively. So, let's dive in and learn more about why execution is the key to success. While having knowledge and skills is important, it's not enough to be successful. You need to be able to execute your plans effectively to achieve your goals. Many people with great ideas fail to execute them properly, which leads to a lack of progress and success. In contrast, those who can execute their plans well can turn even average ideas into successful ventures. Taking action is essential for success. You need to be willing to step out of your comfort zone and take risks to achieve your goals. Procrastination and fear of failure can hold you back from taking action, which can prevent you from achieving success. Remember, the only way to achieve success is to take action, even if it means making mistakes and learning from them along the way. The power of execution lies in the ability to turn your plans into reality. To be a successful executor, you need to have a clear understanding of your goals and a well-defined plan to achieve them. You need to be able to stay focused, manage your time effectively, and adapt to changing circumstances. When you execute your plans well, you build momentum and gain confidence, which helps you to achieve even greater success in the future. Improving your executional skills requires practice and perseverance. You can start by setting clear goals and developing a plan to achieve them. Break down your plan into smaller, manageable tasks, and create a timeline to stay on track. Use time management techniques such as time blocking to ensure that you stay focused and avoid distractions. Learn to delegate tasks to others when necessary, and be willing to seek out help and advice from mentors and experts. In conclusion, the money is in execution. Success is not just about having knowledge and skills, but also about taking action and executing your plans effectively. By improving your executional skills, you can turn your ideas into reality and achieve the success that you deserve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.